there are officials, over a few hundred officials out here. So, or to organize all this is not a joke. I think hats off to the AFI, hats off to you organize Knit Jam. 6,000 लोग एक platform पे. You didn't disappoint the AFI and you didn't disappoint a single athlete. I'm told that not a single athlete, a lot of them had come without registration and not a single one of them was sent back. He would have gone back and told कि मुझे athletics करना है. We will never know who went and told this, but I'm sure hundreds of them must have gone and said, हमारा experience अलग था, आप please athletics ले लो. They must be telling their friends as well. So we end on this happy note, wishing you, your family, and the team all the best. We are now just 20 days away from getting 2024, and 2025, I'm sure, will augur well for all of us.
Thanks a ton, and I'm waiting for 2 more gold medals for Bihar. The events are going to happen at 6:45. Let's see, hope for the best.
Wonderful.
And Bihar shines.
Thank you, sir. I'll just take a still photograph.
While pinning.
Yeah, let me pin. Thank you, sir.
Thank you
so much.
Thanks for interviewing.
Right, yeah. Always a pleasure.
Always a pleasure to be. Jai sir, I'm also ex-serviceman from Army sir. I'm presently serving with AFL. Main manager.
Yes, sir. Do you know
Danapur sir?
Do you know General Pradeep Nayak, who retired as GT Assam?
Yes.
Assam, yeah. So he's 18th and he's also. General Nayak is a good friend of mine. He retired as a GT Assam. Oh, great. So this is the next of the events where the men finished earlier on, and the women are now going into the final burst in the 1,000 meters. Muskan and the record holder at Bilaspur 251.11 in 2024 gets into that lead. I know that she has got the experience, and she might hold on to it for sure. As they go to the back straight, we don't have much to go out here for her, but she looks cool, calculated. She's got the next of the girls, Muskan, of course, lying there. She's got about 2 meters. That lead might hold her in good stead. A bit of a struggle there. Muskan now falling back. We have Sanjana Singh of Haryana taking over. Oh, looks like an upset there. Sanjana Singh of Haryana looks as if she's going to go home. Muskan from 1 to 2 and now slipped to 3. But Sanjana Singh takes it away with Muskan. And then there is Jahnavi Hirudkar of Maharashtra finishing off. So that's where we are in the women's 1,000 meters. We're going as per the clock. We started this race on the dot. We will now come to in about 10 minutes, but we also have the field event on as Muthu joins me. The under 18 for boys heptathlon 1,000 meters 7th event will take place, but as I said, there are field events on at the same time. So while the next event is about 6-7 minutes away, we'll go across to the field events. Muthu joins me again. Muthu, I'm sure you had a nice little walk, and the walk was not for fun because I know you were going down there. The announcements. Muthu is doing virtually a triathlon. He's doing the triathlon up here in the combox with me. I'm not going to say helping me because you've done a wonderful job with me. I can tell you that. Wonderful job. So, yes, you've been with me here. You run down there, run up again. And we are no longer 25 or 26 years old,
Yes,
isn't it?
Yes. You're right, sir. Thanks for your wonderful compliments. And with that got over, we are about to take up